Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can search with voice on Bing app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing app and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing apps on the screen, where you can see the search bar at the middle of the screen, and at the right side of that search bar you can see the mic logo or icon. You simply need to tap over there and you'll be able to use it successfully. And another way is by tapping on the Copilot, which is at the just down below of the screen. So simply tap on that option or logo, and now you can see the voice option. So yeah, this is how you can search with voice on Bing app. And if you're still encountering an issue during this process, then please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.